2020 of the Party Animals Headline Tour as a part of the 2025 Banana Ball World Tour, and over 15,000 have converged, cowbells in hand, to greet the greatest party in sports in the Deep South.
He is 5 years old. Starkville, welcome your golden banner. Whoa! Golden banner. You should.
Yeah, buddy! 3, 2, 1. Showtime!
It is the loudest cowbell in America. The fans are right on top of this one. Look at that guy. He was built for this moment. Made for Banana Ball. The Magnolia State has never seen the sport, and within the first 3 outs, that guy climbed the ladder and got it.
Dude, he's about 25 feet from us.
Hampton, well struck into center. Stanley's underneath it. Stanley goes behind the back. Indy Stanley, impeccable trick play.
Man, this dude's so cool.
I can't get behind that, actually. Thomas to Sunshine Looters, the Texas Tailgaters take the first point of our ball game. Danford, well struck. Animals have a guy there. Noah Fisher between the legs. Put that on Sports Center. Baseman for the Party Animals. Spent a large portion of her collegiate career. Indy Stanley converging with Zach Watson, the LSU kid. Flair.
Zach Waddy Woe Watson, Indiana Stanley had the behind-the-back catch in the first inning. Waddy salutes the dogs here at Mississippi State.
You're on the couch, blowing up my phone. You don't want to come out, but you don't want to be alone. You ain't got to leave the house to have a good time. I'm going to bring the good time home to you. We'll have a house party. We don't need nobody. Turn your TV off. Break that boombox out. We'll wake up all the neighbors till the whole block hates us. And the cops will show up and try to shut us down. If you
Ashton Lansdell, sliding stop.
Get out of here!
And she takes off her Party Animals jersey at Mississippi State to reveal her alma mater, Ole Miss.
Let's go! I told you something crazy was gonna happen. I had a little feeling that something was gonna happen, and I've been waiting for a diving play. I've been waiting to get dirty in this uniform for like so long, so I'm finally happy that I got to do a little something, get dirty, and show off just a little bit.
Indy Stanley to Noah Fisher, who pops it up into the shirt. Give me the shimmy. 58-second inning for Dalton Ponce. That inning was in less than a minute. A diving stop from Ashton Lansdell and a trick play from Noah Fisher. Foster.
I miss ya, I really want to kiss you, but I can't. Baby, you know that I miss you. I wanna get with you tonight, but I cannot, baby girl, and that's the issue. Girl, you know I miss you. I just wanna kiss you, but I can't right now, so baby, kiss me through the phone. Kiss me through the phone. See you later on.
Dustin Baber, well struck. Travis Munoz, trick play between the legs. Count it. With time to spare, no doubt. That is an elite arm at the hot corner. It's Florida. Danford. That carries as well. 380 to center. Reese Hampton goes behind the back. Ponce has just been electric.
Hey, Taylor Justice.
You know, I like you guys too. Thank you for the kind words. I've been asking for this mic'd up for a long time. Absolutely, absolutely. We'll take that, little ground ball. Trav, do something cool. Mac, do something cooler. Yes, sir. All right. So hold on, I don't want Brownie to hear. Like that. That's another out. Watch this. Backflip catch. Dang it. Right here.
Yes, yes!
Ah! Somersault!
Go to the plate, the world's only unicycle batter, Jonathan Sunshine
Mick is good on the mic. He brings Jonathan Luders to the plate. They call him Sunshine. He will take an AB on a unicycle. Benson. Shifty dance. Sunshine deep in the gap. Baber trick play opportunity. Just barely got him.
And filling up the zone and eliminating those.
Oh, Noah Fisher. Deep into left. Fisher, a 2-run blast off the bat. That ball's touched. It was a no-doubt bomb for Fish. Jump and celebrate with Mike Vivacis and Dalton Pons in the third base coach's box. Fisher's 6th home run of the year.
I'm about to make you dance, make you shake your hands. Bass thumping, let the rhythm put you in a trance. You can dance, just move your feet. PO2, we got the beat. Bump it, this my jam. Get up off your gun and just dance.
It's really my favorite. DJ crank it, I can't take it.
Call in the middle of January. The bank account is dried up. There's a throwdown from Andy Cosgrove. He's got Zach Watson. Coach Polk, that's a guy, Andy Cosgrove behind home plate, has one of the best pop times you'll ever see.
Now coming to bat, a former Major League All-Star, a former World Series champion, and in the Ring of Honor for your Mississippi State Bulldogs, please welcome Mitch Moreland!
And the welcome of a lifetime. Listen to the crowd.
He's a fan favorite. You know, we have a lot of fan favorites here. We have a lot of good players, and it's nice to have Mitch here and get those accolades.
Mitchy two bags, right?
Yeah.
Mitch Moreland, deep into right.
Oh.
Moreland off the bottom of the wall. Mitchy two bags has a double. Here comes Becerra to the plate. Becerra slides in, and he's safe. Mitch Moreland, the Mississippi State and Red Sox legend, walks off the 6th inning with the legend Ron Polk in the broadcast booth. Mitchy two bags with a two-bagger.
To be able to come back and play at Dudy Noble and in front of all these fans that, you know, I've known for a long time, seen a ton of familiar faces. This place is a special place to play baseball, and you know, it's obviously it holds a spot dear to me, and you know, I'll always love it. And we come back as much as we can, but. There's no better place in college to play than Dudy Noble.
Sean Fluke will coach first base. Fluke, what are you doing?
I'm coaching for the wrong team. It's the Pablo. Well, I'm your first base coach today. Sorry about it, Skip. Hey, I said I'm coaching. I'll get his stuff. Give me that. Yep, I got it. Hey, steal!
Trying to sabotage us by not saying back, getting him picked off.
Oh, my bad. Hey, I gave you the steal sign. We got a runner for the tailgaters. Hey, way to hit into a double play, kid. That boy. Hey, steal. Hey, $100 if you steal. I got it. All right. About a $50 if you're safe.
$50.
Oh.
Sean Fluke just bartered $50 and got an out, but the tailgaters get a run.
Oh, we'll take that trade any day of the
That
week.
is prime
Now a little
time.
Selly action.
That is primetime footage right there, folks.
That's great broadcasting.
Yes, dude, I mean, why they keep me off the mic, you know?
Oh,
my
no.
goodness.
Sean Fluke, you ever eat mustard?
I hate mustard. I would throw up. Did you just see me get that out?
Yeah, I did.
Coach better. Uh-oh, Jason R. You were my third out. Attaboy, Arndt. Put up the boots, bub.
Sean Fluke, you are the man.
Yeah,
Thank
see
you
you
for
guys
more
tomorrow.
cowbell.
See you tomorrow. Put up a goose egg.
Sport and Jake Skull. Skull 0 for 2 tonight with a couple of strikeouts. Here he grounds out to Zach Watson, who's playing second base.
Trick play for Waddy at second base. He hadn't played there since Pro Bowl before last weekend at Arkansas. He goes between the legs. Waddy, whoa, usually doing backflips. There he goes between the legs. I love it. Brent Rooker jersey. Brent Rooker, Rafael Palmeiro, the only two players in SEC history to win the Triple Crown, and they both won it here playing at Mississippi State.
Noah Fisher!
Making just his second Golden Batter appearance on the year. Looks delicious. Fisher, ball four sprint. We are tied. Magic in Mississippi. Fisher can keep going. It got past the glove of Carson. And Fish, not 90, not 180, 270 feet to tie the game and put himself in scoring position. Kobo could walk it off. The infield is in. Conversely, you're a line out to third away from getting out of this. Jacobo to left. Jacobo plays hero. The Party Animals entered the ninth down 4-2 and rally to shock the Texas Tailgaters. 5-4, the final in the first banana ball game in Mississippi history. I mean, Brett Loftus, rip your heart out and eat it. It's tough, Brett, because it happens so quickly. That some of the biggest games in college baseball history have occurred. Super regional matchups where the national anthem is sang and the largest crowd in college baseball has gathered. That very same complex tonight will host Banana Ball in Mississippi for the first weekend ever. Hampton hit well, but now Zach Watson a back flip opportunity. Waddy! As clean as it gets.
Our first Waddy Woe of the night, wearing the gold LSU bandana. Oh man, that's smooth.
And it's a proverbial pickoff. Helton, trick play opportunity, goes between the legs. Brett Helton. The very rare 1-3 trick play. A second base on a ball four sprint. First pitch swinging, Sal Jacobo!
I don't get paid to say this, but that was awesome.
High to the night sky from Jason Arndt. Tough play for Swan and Cosgrove. Brawny, I should say, who run into each other, and Jason Swan has the banana ball. A thespian, my friend. Four sprint, scored a run last night. Jason Swan lifted deep into left. It's off the wall. Thomas gets the wave. Here comes the relay. Play at the plate is not in time. Jason Swan walks off the second inning with a double for the Party Animals. Oh my goodness. Shades of Just Dance. I've seen this one done in a bar or two across America. These guys love this one. It's a reprise from Miami earlier this year when it was just 4 players who did this little ditty. And now they have the entire team doing it. And Jason Swan has joined the action from the pitcher's mound. He couldn't get to home plate in time, so he's just way back there behind them all.
Come on, Reese, do it. Behind the back. Yep.
It is a 3-trick play inning, 1 minute and 33 seconds, Baber. Oh, Wiggins. Well struck into right. Let's see, will Lopez go? Yes, the throw in is not in time. But a pickle at second will help the Party Animals get the second out. Throw home! Would have been a triple play, but instead it's a run for the Texas Tailgaters ×2.
Mac Danford in those wigs, huh? Women in banana ball. Mac Danford, he loves him some women in country too. Oh no. Couple long-haired guys there. Drake, is he going to hit with that wig on? That's what I want to know. Oh, he just tore up a picture of Fluky. Oh, no. He's not going to hit with the wig, but he tore up a picture of Sean Fluke. Thing down.
Blake was in the Shamu zone. He got some of it, too. Jake Skoll, what a trick play. Jonathan Sunshine Looters, invent your own. He is as tricky as we've seen anyone in Banana Ball.
Use the feet. We talk about Dustin Baber, the innovation of trick plays, the evolution of our sport. The feet, not the hands, for one of the best trick plays you'll ever see.
Tanner Thomas hands off a trick play opportunity. Backflip. Count it. Zach Watson, his second of the night.
In a different position. He did one in straightaway left earlier. That one a little on the right center field alley. And another backflip for the man from LSU.
Mississippi Queen is what I need. Mississippi Queen, she taught me everything. Went down around Vicksburg, round the Louisiana way. Met the Cajun lady, I call the Mississippi Queen. You know she was a dancer. She more better on while the rest of them dudes were getting their kick. Boy, I beg your pardon, I was getting mine.
Here's a 5-2-2 from Lealios. Fifth inning, second batter, second pitch. Lealios steals outside. Sunshine Looters is awaking from perceived sleep.
Sunshine's got a pocket full of sunshine.
I see what they did there, Brett. Take him away.
Oh! How does he ride that thing so fast?
This is one of the coolest walk-ups I've ever seen.
Oh, yeah.
I've got chills.
Full body, one may would say.
One may would say. Jonathan Sunshine Looters will hit on the unicycle. Otherwise, it would be a strike. Looters to Baber. Double play ball. Jacobo back across. And it's a double play.
And that's number 100 on the year for Dustin Baber. Went between the legs there. And the birthday boy gets the triple digits, but a run did score. And the Tailgaters have their lawn chairs.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sit!
This is pretty good, Brett.
Sip! Cut! Forward march!
And the crowd liked it too.
Now coming to coach, a two-time National Coach of the Year with 9 College World Series appearances, the godfather of SEC baseball. Please welcome Coach Ron Pogue.
says Ron Polk. Jason Swan may just have to kiss one of us through his phone. Baby, you know that I miss you.
I miss you. I miss you.
Here we go. Sal Jacobo. We need like a most improved dancer award at the end of every season. I think Sal's right up there. Jason Swan with swagger. Wait a second. He's going to pour the Mick Ultra into a cowbell. Baber beer chug out of a cowbell at Mississippi State. Whole lot of foam, too. Stanley's really seen the full gamut of banana ball. Knows this sport through and through. Talk about banana ball, he fouls out to a fan.
Can we see it?
There's no
There
way.
it is!
Oh, wow.
He brought his glove,
Wow,
Drake Toll.
What a shot.
He brought his glove.
Did he get it? Plant to plate, yes. Back to first, no, and the Tailgaters are going to score a run. And here they come to home plate to celebrate. Brett Loftus, what is this?
Gators. A little wrestling going. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Waddy. He picked the Gator up. Oh, he's taking him home. He took him home. Zach Watson just took the Gator home. Gator up now.
Kais could use a strikeout here. No dice, but Baber, a diving stop. Gold glove type play from the guy who hit 100 trick plays for his season earlier tonight.
And if it feels right, we could go again like day for time.
rehearsed this run celebration since St. Louis, and they're just now getting in Brass Monkey with Party. Here comes the champagne. Party got them moves, boy.
Now coming to pitch, a 5-time All-Star, a World Series champion, a Boston Red Sox Hall of Famer, and on your Ring of Honor here in Mississippi State, please welcome Jonathan Papelbon!
Ultimate party animal. Running out of center field is Jonathan Papelbon. Brett Loftus, there's a whole booth to our left of young fans sitting here watching the game, and they are all jumping up and down. The 50-year-olds, the 15-year-olds, the 5-year-olds.
How cool is this? Oh my goodness. 6-time All-Star. Won the World Series with the Boston Red Sox in 2007, where he recorded the final out. And he played here at Mississippi State. Was a 4th-round draft pick out of Mississippi State back in 2003. Guys, someday.
Oh my gosh. Jonathan Papelbon gets Mac Danford to pop him on the infield, and Pat back home at Mississippi State gets a quick and vital out for the Party Animals. And he hugs Party. 2-2, swing and a miss. We're going to Showdown.
John Reed said, let's keep it going. He ain't even got to say nothing. You know what that sound is, Drake Toll? The same way we started this Party Animals headliner tour, we're going to end it. Showdowns.
It's the 1-1. Really well hit by Watson. Jason Swan sprinting from the infield. The ball rolls all the way to the warning track, and it will be a no contest. Zach Watson has put the Texas Tailgaters ahead 1-0 in Showdowns, 4-3 for the game.
Zach Watson started this SEC tour in Showdowns, and now, here on the final night of it, leads off round 1 of Showdowns tonight with an inside to Parker and taking a 4-3 lead. That's exactly what you want in Showdowns.
He has 3 walk-offs and his 10 opportunities in Showdowns. Ham underneath this ball. He's got to get on his horse. Hussein wants to catch it in the air. Hussein does not. They must tag out Reese Hampton at home plate. The throw home from Reed. Hampton is out, and the Texas Tailgaters have upset the Party Animals on night 2 in Mississippi State.
How about it, Drake Toll? The Texas Tailgaters showed grit. They went to overtime here in Showdowns. 4-1 are they in Showdowns this year. They win it tonight 4-3. John Reed with ice water in his veins. Jason Arndt, sing that song.
Yeah, we let it well. When we got the money, let it roll. And we got the gas, it is wild. Yeah, but that's the way we get down. Yeah, hit down.
The Texas Tailgaters with a win here tonight, split the college tour at 3 games apiece. And on the backs of John Reed and Zach Watson, the boys gathered up there and spoiled the final headliner game of the year for the Party Animals.